Index maintenance module is going on, and in this video we will discuss about the architecture of index, the structure of the index. At the top of every index there is a page known as the root page. Every index have this root page, and the information about the root page contained into the index metadata. Now the root page itself is a collection of some records. There is a bunch of records in the root page which are used by the storage engine of the SQL Server to navigate through this structure. The SQL Server storage engine will decide which way to navigate, and this is the information is in the root page. Like this root page have three records, which is on this level, second level, which is known as the non-leaf level. This is the child of the root pages, and these are linked by these arrows. These are arrows are known as the pointers, and storage engine will use these pointers to navigate down to the this non-leaf level, which are the index pages. So now from these intermediate levels, each intermediate level itself contains the some records which are used by the storage engine to traverse through this structure to get down to the leaf level, which is our target level, because data is actually on the leaf level. So we have to go to the leaf level, and this is the structure the storage engineer is using to go to the leaf level. It will navigate from root level through the intermediate level until the leaf levels. So all levels are linked by these arrows from top to bottom, and also we can find out this there are the arrows from left to right. These left to right arrows are basically the page IDs, and these page IDs are used to sort the records. So storage engineer will sort the records based on these page IDs. So whenever we are sorting the this data in some orders, the storage engine will use these arrows to sort the records. Now on this leaf level, that there is it's there may be that itself the table. The table data may exist on this level, or there may be the index pages. So these two kinds of the information we can find. It depends on the index type. Now suppose in our previous example, we have one table. The name of the table is a country table, which contains the two columns, country name and the country ID. And there is an index on this country ID, which is a cluster index. And when we are creating the country ID column as an index, so there is a structure is created on the disk which contains this country IDs information. So this the and the in the root page contains how many pages are reserved for this country ID index. And then from this root page, when we are going to search any record in this table, that suppose we need to find out the country ID 15, so it will go to the root page and we'll find, okay, where does this page exist. Okay, page, there is the pages, these pages may exist on this leftmost block, and on this leftmost block there are the some pages, and the page number 1 to 9 are on this block. So it will find out search that the 15 records on which side. Store engine will find out, okay, which side to navigate, which side to go through down to find out this record. So it will go to the page number 2 on this side, so it will navigate to this side. So in this way this structure is working. So the now the this because this is the clustered index on the country ID. So on this leaf level, the table itself exists. This table data itself is the leaf level, because this is the clustered index. If it is not the cluster index, is a non-cluster index, so this table data, instead of this table data, there are the index pages which are the pointers to this table data will exist. So in case of non-cluster index, there are the again the index pages. That index pages will point to this tables data. So this is the index structure, and this structure known as the B structure, and this is the leaf level, if which we have discussed now, that leaf level, in case of the cluster index, the table data will exist. If it is a non-cluster index, then there will be the pointers which will point to this data. This is the basic structure, whatever the index types, but the structure is the same for all the indexes. And this is the basic structure for all indexes.